In today's video, we are going to review the Oneplus Bullets Wireless Z Base Edition and then we will compare it with the regular edition. So let's go! Before getting to the video, if you want to find the best deals on these earphones, you can head to the first link down below in the description. So Oneplus launched their Bullets Wireless Z neckband earphones a few months ago, or I guess a year ago, and some bass heads were like, this is garbage, pure garbage, they have no bass. So that's why I suggested you guys the Boatrockers 355 Pro or the Realme Buds Wireless for all that bass. But OnePlus recently launched the base edition of this Bullets Wireless, so I had to try it for myself and give you guys my words about them. So first of all, let's dive into the unboxing and see what you can expect when picking this up. So here's the package from Amazon, and inside we have the retail box of the Bullets Base Edition. Let's grab our knife and open this up. Here it is. First thing I noticed is that they have changed the design of the box, which used to come with the regular edition. Now let's open this box and see what we get. So here are the earphones sitting nicely inside the package, so let's take them out. By the way, I have this in Reverb red color, but you can also pick this up in blue color. The only color you don't get in this base edition is the mint color, which is only available on the regular version. Anyways, here we have them. Feels good. Let's put this to the side and see what else is in here. A small packet down here. We don't need this now. Inside we have some extra ear tips, USB-C cable for charging this, and last but not the least, some user manuals, which is none of our business. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing, and now let's test this thing out and see how it goes. Design and build quality. Starting with the design and build quality, just like the regular edition, these are well-designed earphones. The earphones weighs about 26 grams, which is quite lightweight. It doesn't make you feel like you're carrying some weight on your neck. The neckband is made of very soft rubber, which feels very comfortable and doesn't irritate in any way. When comparing this to the regular edition, there are not many design changes except for the change in the button placement. On the regular edition, you would find these inline buttons and mic on the wire, which was little hard to use, but now these are on the neckband on the base edition. Now one disadvantage with this design change could be the deteriorated inline mic quality, as we have moved the mic a bit further from the mouth, but we can only tell for sure by testing it out in few minutes. For now, I want to say that the build quality of these earphones is impressive. These are well built earphones. My regular edition is still working, so I can say that these should last quite some time. Comfort and fitting. While picking any audio device like headphones, earphones, we need to make sure they are comfortable. If not, they will make our life a nightmare. So in that perspective, I would say that the Bullets Wireless Z Base Edition are very comfortable earphones. The silicone ear tips are very soft and they make the music listening experience much more enjoyable. On some cheap earphones, you will find the ear tips to be very stiff and makes you want to throw them away. But here on this earphone, it feels very soft and comfy. Now talking about the fitting, they stay glued mostly in the ears, but as there are no hooks provided, they are not a good choice as a workout partner and will come out from your ears from time to time. I would love to see if OnePlus includes some optional ear hooks in the next edition, but for now we don't get any of those here. Features. Now features are mostly the same on the base edition. First of all, we get quick pair, which means if you're using the OnePlus device, you can connect the Bullets Z instantly. Just turn on the earphones by separating the two earbuds, the magnetic earbuds, from each other, and you will receive a pop-up notification on your device to pair. And the earphones will be connected in seconds. Once you have them paired, it will connect automatically from the next time onwards as soon as you turn them on. Now if you're not on a OnePlus device, the function will work exactly the same. Just go to the Bluetooth setting, connect to the earphones, and after this one-time process, your device will connect automatically in just a matter of seconds. We do get magnetic earbuds on the Bullets Z, which is a must feature for any neckband earphones or any other wireless earphones. It is so convenient to easily manage the earphones onto your neck when you are not using them. And by the way, the magnets are pretty strong and doesn't let the earphones detach easily. Now the additional feature along with the magnetic buds is autoplay pause. So whenever you connect the two earbuds together, it will automatically pause the song, and whenever you detach the earbuds, it will automatically start playing. However, this play pause feature works on your OnePlus devices, and you have to turn that on from the earphone mode in the settings, in the sound setting of the OnePlus device. However, if you are on any other Android device, only the pause function will work. Another interesting thing in the magnetic earbuds is that when you connect the earbuds together, the earphones are turned off and disconnected from the device to save battery, which is a good thing as we don't have to turn them on and off manually. Now, quick switch was a feature that OnePlus added on the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. Let's quickly see what it did. There is a button on the neckband which pressed twice would allow us to switch between two devices. For instance, you are watching a movie on your laptop and suddenly you get a call on your phone. You can double press the quick switch button and it will switch the connection from your laptop to the phone. Pretty awesome, right? I know. But unfortunately, they have removed this button on the base edition. The feature is still there, but now you have to manually go to Bluetooth settings and select the device from there. So now it's just for the name of the feature. Now this one is for all the gamers out there. On the OnePlus Bullets Z regular edition, we had low latency mode, which was supposed to give us as low as of 110 milliseconds of latency. And now on the base edition, they are claiming to go as low as freaking 100 milliseconds. This is crazy, but our nature suggests we shouldn't trust them. So let's test this out and see what the truth is.
Tango down! Changing now! Target down! We've taken the lead.
Another feature to look for in any of these earphones is the IPX rating, IPX water rating, which means the device you are thinking you're spending your money should have at least some sort of IPX rating. And you will be glad to know that these earphones come with IP55 rating. So if you intend to use these earphones with your workout or travel in rain, it should handle all the H2O. Battery life. On the OnePlus Bullets Z base edition, we have unknown amount of mAh battery. Seriously, it is not mentioned anywhere on the internet or on the box. So if you do know the battery mAh, then please let everyone know in the comments down below. But what we do know is that we have warp charging, which means if you charge the earphones for 10 minutes, it will give us 10 hours of playback. And if you fully charge the earphones, which took me around 25 minutes with a warp charger, the OnePlus is claiming to give 17 hours of playback instead of 20 on the regular edition. But there is catch to it. If you read carefully, we'll get this kind of a battery backup only when listening at 1/3 of the volume. In real life testing, I set this to 75% of the volume and I got around 12 hours and 15 minutes of backup, which is decent backup but not comparable to other earphones like Botrockers 335, which will give you more than 24 hours of battery backup, but this is good enough. Inline mic. As mentioned earlier, OnePlus shifted the buttons and the mic from the wire to the neckband, which is more convenient to use, but this might also deteriorate the mic quality as the mic is now further away. But let's cut to the chase and see how the mic sounds like. This is the audio quality test of the inline mic on the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z regular edition. And this is the audio quality test of the inline mic on the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z base edition. Sound quality. Moving to the crucial part of any audio device, whether it is headphones, earphones, speaker, etc., is the sound quality itself. So for the driver size, we get same 9.2mm driver from the regular edition, but in the base edition, it is redesigned for extra bass. Many people found the regular edition to be very balanced sounding earphones, including myself. As we are proudly Indians, we like bass over 9000. So OnePlus was like, there you go. Now in the new Bullets, we get better bass. It is improved from the previous one. Now we can clearly listen to all the bass, guitar, 808s and all that goodness. But one thing I want to highlight is that it is not overpowering in any sort. It's not like you feel the subwoofer of a car like you do experience in the Boat earphones, but a more decent amount of bass. Like if your car subwoofer is 10 out of 10 in bass, then this is 7 out of 10 and Boat Rockers is like 8.5 out of 10. Talking about the other frequencies, they are also very present. The mids and highs are well tweaked. So if you enjoy other genres like acoustic or pop, you will also enjoy that type of music on this as well. And about the loudness, they are quite loud. If you like to listen to music at high volumes, then you won't be disappointed. I generally keep this up at 65% of volume. So to sum it up, If you listen to any kind of genre, whether it is bass, hip hop, acoustic, pop, rock, Punjabi, Hindi, etc., it will definitely suit you. One thing I would like to see OnePlus doing in this earphone is that there should be a way to switch between bass boost mode and normal mode, so that people who don't want that extra bass could turn that off and turn that back on whenever the Siddu Moosewala came. I think that would be the one thing which could make this earphone one size fit for all. Price. Moving down to the price of these earphones, they are priced at 2000 rupees, and you can find the best deals from the first link down below in the description. But for the price, it is well priced. Both Bullets, regular edition and base edition, are priced at 2000 rupees. So it's up to you if you want to get the regular edition or the base edition. So overall, if you are looking for any neckband earphones with a lot of feature, comfortability, good sound quality, and maybe you could work with the 12 hours of battery backup, then I'll definitely recommend this to you. Now it's up to you if you want to buy the base edition or regular edition. So that was my part. Hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, just click the like button below, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Until then, stay safe. Bye bye.